is going to be the famous how to do a fox eye makeup look. So this has been really popular lately, and I was like, why not just jump on the bandwagon? Let's do this. Let's go. Let's make this video. So here we are. I'm just gonna be doing the eyes today. That's all I'm focusing. I already have my face makeup. I already have my eyebrows on. Get your eyebrows on, girl. Get your face all done, and then come back to me and let's follow this video. What is that? I don't know. Okay, let's go. First things first. Let's prep our eyes. Wow, I'm gonna prep our eyes with lash glue. I love that. I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I'm just gonna be putting these all over the lids. Now we're gonna start off with a base. So I'm just gonna put a bronzer on the base. I am using the Too Faced chocolate one in medium. Taking a big fluffy brush and just put this all on the crease, making it quite heavy on the outer corner. Gonna slap a quick shade on the lid, and I'm of course going ahead with my Thirsty palette, and I'm taking Sevel, so just grab any light taupe, however you pronounce it, color, and we're just gonna pack that on the lid. Now for the fun part. Grabbing our tapered blending brush, and I'm going back into my Jeffree Star palette. I'm gonna take Drizzle, which is a little bit of like a medium toned brown. We're gonna take a little bit at a time, and we're gonna start out in that outer V, but we're really gonna extend it. So I'll do it on this side so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. So grab your brush, and we're just gonna tiny strokes. Going back into that color to pick up a little bit more, and we're gonna start just above the line and almost create a V. I'm just using very light flicking motions. I'm just gonna go in with the blending brush and just blend that, just so it doesn't look as of a harsh distinct line right there. We're gonna go in with a slightly darker brown. I will be using, out of the Huda Beauty, the Topaz palette. I'm gonna be taking this dark brown. Now I'm gonna be going in with that angled brush and taking super light amount and starting to flick it up. Grabbing another tapered blending brush, I'm just gonna blend that up. Like almost like you're making a triangle, so it's like blend up, then blend down. And don't worry about this messy area, we'll fix that later. So this is kind of what we're dealing with right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do this on the other eye off camera because this is very precise and dark colors are intense to work with. Now for the scary part, we're gonna go in with a black color. I'm just taking one from an Old Naked palette on that angle brush, and we're just gonna pat on a line, almost like we're winging an eyeliner. Going back in with the medium tone brown, taking a tapered blending brush, and now this is the fun part, what's gonna take forever because black is a bitch to blend out. I'm gonna go in quickly with that lighter brown shade on a fluffy blending brush. Just gonna blend it outwards. When you're blending it, guys, you gotta be very careful because we're doing the fox eye. We're trying to keep that, like, I don't know the words right now because I can't talk today, but you know what I'm trying to say. I am not a professional makeup artist, as you guys can tell. You don't want to go ahead and like do the, you know, circular blending motion because then you're just gonna blend it out. And that is not the look that we are going for today. I'm pretty happy with this eye, so I'm gonna do this eye on camera as well. I'll just let you do a little montage of it just so you guys can see how I did it again. Here's the montage. Let's clean up those edges. Taking the concealer and just making a nice line. Now let's blend. I'm gonna use my finger. You guys use what you want to use. I'm going to be taking NARS's Hot Sand, so just going in with a flat shader brush, and let's pack on that eyebrow highlight. A little bit in the inner corner. Now for the scary part where things can really go wrong. Eyeliner! I'm terrified of eyeliner. I don't know about you guys, but like, this is the part where things can just stay amazing or they can get scary really fast. So grab your eyeliner and we're gonna start pretty wide out, just where that ending point is of our shadow there. Do you know what I mean? I hope you guys know what I mean. Just like that, just right at the end. I kind of lied. I definitely went in all the way. Grab your eyeliner pencil. I'm using the Sex Kitten. And I'm just gonna be tight lining my top lashes. Now it's eyelash time. I just cut my falsies in half to give more of that cat eye look because we're really focusing on the ends. Put those bad boys on there. Let's curl the lashes. Apply some mascara. I'm only putting my mascara on the top lashes, and I didn't put any eyeshadow on the bottom, but I really just wanted this just the top look. So if you guys want to switch up some things, you go do you, boo. This look would look so good with a nude lip. Grab your liner. I'm using one from NYX Sandstorm one. It's just a nude color. I'm gonna be grabbing the color Whirl from MAC. So this is the finished look, guys. Let's do a cute montage. That's the end. So this is my idea of a fox eye. I feel like this is a quite glam fox eye because I see a lot of people doing more of like a lighter, kind of more natural fox eye. But yeah, I hope you guys did like this video. It's definitely a different turn on the fox eye in my eyes. And if you guys did like this video, you gotta give it a thumbs up. And even if you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up and press that subscribe button, guys. So if you guys like makeup videos, let me know down below. I love doing them. I think they're super fun. I like trying out new looks. Have an amazing morning, day, evening, afternoon, whatever time it is for you. And we'll see you guys in the next video. See you later.